Hi guys, I've been waiting so long for this package. It's my fidget toys. Yes. I'm gonna open it right away.
Ik wens iedereen een gelukkig nieuwjaar.
Manigong bagong taon, maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Naragsak, abaro at awin niyo amin, Apo!
Happy New Year!
Yay!
We are the Bloemen family! Yay!
Hi guys, I've been waiting so long for this package. Guys, I've been waiting so long for this package. It's my fidget toys. Wow! Yes. I'm gonna open it right away. Okay, the first, it's all in here. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's my fidget spinner! Look, it's my fidget spinner. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, the first thing that catched my eye is this blue poppin'. Let's open it. I'm so excited, like my heart is pounding so fast. I want to test it out. Okay, this is the soft side.
Hannamie, want to see it, Hannamie?
Awesome. Oh, I see the Fidget Pad. Okay, now the loud side.
It doesn't show na home.
Here, look, this is my pocket. Wait, how do I... This is awesome. Oh wait, so first... No, wait. It's awesome, guys. I rate this a 9.5 out of 10.
Wow!
Hey, you want to play? I think I'll open my fidget spinner now. Wait, how am I supposed to open this? Whatever, I know it's a zip tie thing, but I'll just...
The other holding.
Then, oh, we got this fidget spinner. It's so cool! Like, they have all the rainbow colors. Do you like the poppin'? Okay, why is the monkey noodle so small? They're supposed to be like thick like this, not like this. Next thing, we're gonna open the Wacky Tracks. Wacky Tracks. I know they're a pretty loud fidget toy. Wait, I'm gonna test the green one first. You could just like play with it, twist it around. It's like so fun. Wait, I think you can attach it. I think you can. Harry can't stop playing with the pocket. No, it's too hard to attach. Now let's check the orange one. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, here, Hannamie. Wacky Track. Next up is these monkey noodles. I think they're actually you actually have to put them in water to like make them big, like the Orbeez, you know. Yeah, it's the Wacky Track. Come, you take. Like, it's like this small. Wait, I'm gonna get all of them. These are all my monkey noodles. They're like so thin. Wait, are there more monkey noodles? I don't think so. I'm gonna put them here. Wait. They have like blue, purple, orange, and pink. Next up that catches my eyes are the emojis. Oh, they're so cute. Oh wait, they're all the same, but then in different colors. Look, I have a duplicate. I could fidget trade to one of my friends. Like my friend at school named Lois. I could trade one to her. I hope she doesn't have the same. No cheese. No cheese. I know that they get dirty really fast because they're like sticky. I totally like the gray one because it reminds me of Mayunji. I just wanna go so fast because I wanna go see the other kids' toys. I'ma name this Mayunji, the fat cat. Boom. And I'm gonna name this Lemonade or Sun or Sunny. I think Sunny. Look, this is Sunny. Mooch. And I'm gonna name this after my favorite drink, the Mogu. You like this one? It's so wobbly. Hey, here, you can play with the other emojis. Next thing that catches my eye is... Did they fall down? Bojack! Mogu! Where's Mogu? Oh, here. Next thing catches my eye is the Marble Mashers. Look, it's like this thing you can like, wow. There's a marble inside. I don't think you can see it. Like totally. They have blue, pink, green, and yellow. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna put them here. Next up is, what's this? Are these supposed to be my tangles? But they're broken. And what's this? This is my bike chain. Wait, how many peepers do I have? This one's broken. Or maybe you have to attach them or something. Like make them yourself. Wait, I'm gonna save this up for later. Look, it's the puzzle ball. Wait, how do I move this? It's so hard. Oh. Wait, where's the color white? It's not here? Here, puzzle ball. Jeez. I'm gonna check my bike chain. Oh, I can't wait. This one. Ah, they gave me a red one. I actually wanted the blue one. Oh, wait. I don't know how to play with this. Huh? So you're supposed to like switch it up. Oh, wait, I forgot to show the puzzle ball. Here's a puzzle ball. Try to find. The inside is squishy or something. This is... I don't really know how to play with the bike chain, but it's still fun. Okay, the next thing is a blue fidget pad. Oh, this is fun. Like you can like, there's a joystick like a gaming thing. There's a white button, what I call it, and this roller thing. What's this? Oh, you're supposed to do it. No, wait. Aren't they still making a toy? Here, another one. And here you can roll it. It's very fun. Fidget Pad. Next is my final fidget. It's the Pop-It. bet. Yeah, I'll show it to them while they Here's my Tay Bear. I'm gonna name this Tay Bear. Oh, wait, both sides are good. Wait, Harmie, I think I want to play with it first. Wait. Here. That's awesome. No, what? I'm gonna do the louder side.
Bakit mo replay yung video?
Wait.
Ang video.
We got my That's awesome. How do you like my monkey noodles? We got my puppy. That's awesome. How do you like my monkey noodles? Wait, I'm not trying to attach this tangle. Look. I have to watch a tutorial how to. It's red and black. Oh, it's really hard to attach. Come on.
We would like to acknowledge and give thanks to all our super chatters around the globe. Thank you guys for sharing to us your blessings and for supporting our channel. Big shout out to JR and Narin from Greece, Alajar from Greece, Miss Rose Cruz from Hong Kong, Joyful Day TV from Philippines, Rose Dave Scales from United Kingdom, Joshua and Gov from Greece, Princess Yanilin from Taiwan, W&A Adventures from Poland, Dali Andrada from Singapore. Big shout out also to all our viewers and supporters around the world. See you to our next videos. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.